Students, you have learnt what are integers. Integers are the collection of positive and negative whole numbers, and you also seen if the above sea level we represent by positive, below sea level negative. In the same way, you have depositing money is positive, withdrawing money is negative, and many more examples are there where you use plus and minus. And also you have learnt the number line also, how the number line will be there, and what is the ordering of principal integers, which one is bigger integer, which one is smaller integer. Now we are going to learn the integers, addition of integers on a number line. Addition of integers. First of all, we will learn the addition of integers. The addition of integers afterwards, on number line afterwards. First, we will learn the addition of integers. Suppose you have to add two positive integers. Simply add them. 6 plus 7, 13. That's all. Don't have to put any sign here. It is a plus 13. Nothing. Only 13 means plus 13. Plus 6 plus of plus 7 is nothing but 6 plus 7. That is 13. Suppose you have to add two negative integers, minus 6 and minus 7. If you add, simply add them and put the minus sign here. You have to add one positive, one negative number. Suppose to add a negative and one positive integer, then subtract the numbers and put the sign of the bigger integer. To decide the bigger integer, ignore the negative sign. That is to say, minus 6 plus 7, 1 plus 1 minus. So, subtract 6 and 7, 1. Now, which sign you have to write before 1? See, bigger number in this. 7 is bigger number. So, it has plus. That only you have to write here. So, plus 1 is same as 1. That's why we wrote 1. Suppose 6 plus of minus 7. Here 1 plus 1 positive integer, 1 negative integer. Here also you have to subtract 1. But which sign you have to write? You have to write the, if I say bigger number symbol, then 6 is the bigger. You have to, bigger integer 7 is negative integer. That is, to decide bigger integer, ignore the negative sign. Don't see this negative sign. Now which is bigger, 6 and 7? 7 is bigger. Now what is the sign of this bigger integer? Minus. So that minus you have to put. Or simply out of these two, bigger one, whichever is bigger, that sign you put here. But remember, when deciding bigger, don't see the negative sign. This minus sign you should not see. Only plus 6 and 7 only. Ignore this minus. So 7 is the larger. So what is the sign of 7? Minus. You have to put that minus here. Now addition of integers on number line. How to add a number line? So 3 and 4. So from 0 you go plus 3, no? Towards right. Again plus 4. Again towards right. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. You arrive at 7. So plus 3 plus 4 is 7. Suppose you had two negative integers. First minus 2. From 0 go towards left. Again minus 5. Again you go left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You arrive at minus 7. So minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Just now we learned, no, if both two negative integers are added, you have to add the numbers and put the minus sign. Same you got it here. Suppose one negative and one positive. So plus 6 minus 2. First from 0 plus 6 means go to the right 6 places. Minus 2 means come to the left 2 places. Where you arrived? 4. So plus 6 plus of minus 2 is plus 4. Sorry. Plus 6 plus of minus 2 is plus 4. And this is same as what you learned when you add one positive and negative. You subtract them and put the sign of the bigger number. Here 6 is bigger, so plus. Now to add one more example of one negative and positive, minus 5 plus 4. So from 0 you go towards left 5 places and 4 towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4. You add minus 1. Minus 1. Here also the bigger integer without this sign, bigger integer is 5. So what is this sign of this bigger integer? Minus. So that minus only will come here. Additive inverse. See, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. If a number line, if you do minus 2 and plus 2, that minus 2 means you go to the left 2 places and again right to the 2 places. You get it 0. Even minus 3 plus 3 also 0. Plus 3 minus 3 also 0. Plus 4 minus 4 also 0. So you get a 0. If you take both numbers same with plus 1 minus, you get 0. Such numbers are called additive inverse. What are additive inverse? Means tell that two numbers which when added will give 0. Such numbers are called additive inverse. Sum of two numbers is, if sum of two numbers is 0, then such numbers are called additive inverse of each other. Okay, here 4 and minus 4 are additive inverse, minus and plus 8 are additive inverse. Subtraction of integer. Now how to subtract integers or number line? We have added, no subtract. For subtracting, to subtract an integer from another integer, then we simply add the additive inverse of that integer. Subtraction of integer is same as addition of negative integers. Sorry, subtraction of integer is same as addition of additive inverse. I will repeat again. Subtraction of an integer is equal to addition of additive inverse. So here you have to subtract minus 2. So subtraction is same as addition with additive inverse of minus 2. Additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. And you know how to do minus 3 and plus 2 on number line. First go to the left 3 places and 2 to the right. Or 1 minus 1 plus, we subtract the numbers and put the sign of the bigger number. Again minus 3 minus of plus 2. Here subtraction is of plus 2 is nothing but addition of additive inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. And how to do the 2 if two integers are negative, what we will do? We simply add and put the minus sign. Even in number line also, if you do, you get minus 5. Two negative integers are to be added. How will you add that? You add the integers and put the negative sign. Now example, you subtract minus 8 minus of minus 12. You are subtracting minus 12 from minus 8. How to do? This is subtraction, you can make it addition if you can write here instead of minus 12, if you write the additive inverse of minus 12. Additive inverse of minus 12 is 12. So minus 8 plus 12. Minus 8 plus 12 means first you go to 8 left and then 12 to right, you arrive at 4. So answer of minus 8 plus 12 is 4. Answer of minus 8 of minus 12. Minus 8 minus of minus 12 is 4. Here again you have to subtract an integer. So subtraction you can convert as addition if you can replace this minus 3 by additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Here 4 and then 3, 7. Now students, we have already completed exercise 6.1, and that we learned how to represent integers on number line, and how to add integers on number line, and also ordering of number line. In this exercise we will do some more sums based on this integer addition and subtraction on line and without line also. Here in that exercise, second exercise, using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5 means what you have to do? You have to go up to 5. You go from 5, 3 more means you have to go to right hand 3 places. So you arrived at 5 more than minus 5. First you go to minus 5 and then 5 more. You go to right hand 5 places. You arrived at 0. So 5 more than minus 5 is 0 means 5 and minus 5 are additive inverse. You already learnt it. Question number 2. Use number line and add the following integers. Minus 5 plus 10. How to add? Minus 5, you go to minus left hand side 5 places and 10 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You arrive at 5. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. First you go towards left 1 place, again 2 places, again 3 places. You arrive at minus 6. So answer is minus 6. You can add you can add or subtract more than 2 numbers also on number line. Add without using number line. You can see here 11 plus of minus 7, and that is you are adding a positive and negative. For that what you have to do? Simply you have to subtract the numbers and put the sign of the bigger number. 11 is a bigger number, so plus 4. So that is say if you have plus before the bracket, you can remove it. Simply you write 11 minus 7 plus before the bracket. If minus before the bracket, the rules are different. That I will tell you in the other sum. Now minus 250 plus of 150. One negative, one positive. What you will do? You will subtract them and write the sign of the bigger numbers. Okay, here plus is there before bracket, so this plus is removed. So what is there? If the plus is there before bracket, you can remove the plus. Here also this plus is removed. So and both are negative here. Both are negative. So you will add it. Both are negative, you will add it. Add it, minus 370. Put the bracket and put the minus outside. Find the sum. Minus 52 and 52. Here minus 52 plus 52 is 0. And sum of this. Again without using number line. So here three numbers are there. 312, 39. Answer for B. So students, this correction was done. This question was correct. The solution here was of different sum earlier. So I I had done the correct solution here. See here, this we have to add minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. You know that if it is plus before the bracket, you can remove the plus. Now if both are negative, you will add them. If both are negative, you will add them and put the minus sign. 50 plus 200 is 250. Now one negative, one positive, you subtract them and put the sign of the bigger one. Now question number 5, here you have to add this. So minus 7, minus 9. Here plus is there, remove this plus, so minus 9. Minus 7, minus 9, both are negative, add and put the minus sign. Both are positive, add and put the plus. And one positive, one negative, subtract. Now students, we have done the integers addition on number line, and also we have done few sums without number line, how to add and how to subtract. Now we will do few more sums here without number line. Exercise 6.3. Here find 72 minus 90. One positive, one negative. You subtract it and put the sign of the bigger number. Here both negative. You add them and put the sign of the negative. Now here fill in the blanks, greater, less or equal to. So first of all take this left hand side. This is called left hand side, this is called right hand side. Left hand side you take, see minus 3, minus 6, both are negative, you will add it and put the minus sign. And these are minus 3 or minus 6, minus of minus 6. When you have to subtract an integer, it is same as you will learn addition of the additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 6 is plus 6. Now one positive, one negative, you subtract. Now this LHS is minus 9, RHS is 3. Which is greater? You have to say 3 is greater. So you write this sign like this. This is a greater than sign. So the same question again you write the greater than sign. Here you can see here, it's I will take this left hand side. Here minus of minus 10. That is nothing but addition of additive inverse of minus 10. Additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. So one positive, one negative, you subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Here take the RHS now. Now minus 31 plus of minus 11. If it is addition here, so addition of two negative integers. So you add them and put the sign of minus. Now left hand side is minus 11 and right hand side is minus 42. Now which is greater? Minus 11 is greater. So write this sign. Here we write the sign like this, greater this. Here this is greater. So we inverted the sign. Fill in the blanks. Minus 8 plus what gives you 0? Minus 8 plus 8. Plus 12 minus 12, what is the answer? 0, because additive inverse. Here also minus 8 is additive inverse of 8. Now minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. You know the subtraction of an negative integer, that is you have to write the additive inverse of this. So additive inverse of minus 25 is plus 25. So minus of minus 25. We are subtracting an integer is same as adding the additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 25 is plus 25. Now here minus 7 minus 8 if you add is minus 15 and 25. Minus 15 plus 25 is 10. Because one positive, one negative, you subtract and put the sign of the bigger one. Okay. Here minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Say here what we will do, that minus numbers plus 32 is I will write first, and all negative minus 13 minus 8 minus 1 will write the next. So add all these three. All are minus, you add all those 3. 13 plus 8 plus 1 is 22. Now 32 minus 22 is 10.